Welcome back to our channel. So okay, now we are on question 10. Okay, question 10. Look at the question is about sequence. Okay, arithmetic sequence first. So remember arithmetic sequence, they have a common difference, right? Add D and add D, right? Add D and add D. So they have a common difference. So you know that the P minus A equals Q minus P. And then you move them 2p, so move the 2p to the left hand side, so 2p minus a equals q, and then change it back, and then you got this result. Okay, well, the next one is about geometric sequence. So you remember multiplied by r, multiplied by r, so they have the common ratio, so s over a equals t over s, so cos method. So s squared equals 80. I apologize, I can't find out any intermediate step. I think IB will forgive us too and give us the marks. Okay, next one. They said that Q equals T equals 1 and show that P is larger than 1/2. At first, I don't know how to do it, and then look it up from the thing in part A and part B. Substitute Q equals T equals 1. So 2P minus 1 is A. And S squared also equal A. Oh, I got it. Must be a substitution. So we combine these two together. You have 2P minus 1 is S squared. But our question is about P. So make P the subject. So P equals 1 plus S squared over 2. S squared must be larger than 0, right? So S is 0. Yeah, so this one must be larger than 1/2. Bingo, we got it. Okay, well done. Okay, see you for the other parts. Okay, bye bye.